Get ready for your Dahua partner journey. Upon your first discover, a wealth of information about Dahua is here for you. Upon your first exploration, quickly access nearby Dahua services through Service Map. New to Dahua-producten, we can help you compare and select interested products. Unlocking possibilities with every choice you make. SMB solution is ready for you. Got any question? How to get you to the answer? With every product scanning you perform, we give our wholehearted support. With every project registration you make, we provide our utmost attention. Dahua Club helps you find like-minded partners. With Refer Friends, move forward hand in hand from I to we. From virtual point to real benefit. What else can we do? Toolkits integrate resources and enable quick installation. Config tool intelligently sets up your devices. Doubling Care keeps an eye on your devices together with you. Generate your personalized quotation anytime and anywhere. We resolve your concerns with the best RMA service. Unleash growth together with DH Partner app every step of your way.